Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we've embarked on a journey of self-development and mental wellness. Today, I have a question for you. When was the last time you felt truly present in the moment, away from all the digital distractions? Keep this question in mind as we explore the transformative power of offline activities. Picture this. Imagine a Sunday morning where the sunlight gently filters through your window, replacing the usual digital glow of your phone screen. You're stepping outside, feeling the fresh air and the vibrant colors of nature around you. You're not just observing the world through a screen. You're living in it, touching, feeling, experiencing. How does this shift in perspective make you feel? Engaging in hobbies and physical activities is a refreshing escape in our digital age. Here's a quick fact. Just an hour of hobby time a week can significantly enhance your mental well-being. I remember when I first traded an hour of screen time for painting. It was liberating. I invite you to find your liberating activity. Creative activities. Creativity is a journey into mindfulness. Whether you're painting, writing, or playing an instrument, you are in a meditative state. This week, I challenge you to create for mindfulness. Start a journal or sketch something that inspires you. Share your creations with our community using the hashtag Mindful Creation Challenge. A mental health game changer is physical activity. Let's discuss movement. Physical activity is a powerhouse for mental health. Just a tiny amount of it can immediately reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. This doesn't have to be a gym session. It's any movement that brings joy. It can be as simple as a solo dance party in your living room. What's your favorite way to get moving? Connecting with nature. Let's not forget the profound impact of nature on our mental health. Activities like gardening or simply spending time in green spaces can significantly improve mood and reduce anxiety. If you are in an urban setting, try creating a small herb garden on your windowsill. A touch of green can work wonders for your mental space. Community involvement. Another fulfilling aspect of engaging in life offline is the sense of community it can foster. Whether it's volunteering in your community or joining a local club, engaging in group activities offers a level of human connection that profoundly influences our mental health. Have you ever volunteered in your community or joined a local club? Share your experiences in the comments section. As we wrap up today's video, I want you to remember one thing. Engaging in offline activities, be it creative, physical, or social, is a step towards a healthier, happier you. This week, I challenge you to choose one activity that pulls you away from digital screens. Share your experiences in the comments section. Let's inspire each other to live more fully, mindfully, and to embrace the real world. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll continue our journey towards self-development and improved mental health. Before you leave, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you next time. Take care.